Hello everyone, my name is Gia and today I want to have an unboxing flash review of MomentWish jewelries. It's a set of ring, necklace and earrings. Okay, let's do the unboxing together. First thing I want to say is the packaging is so perfect, high quality, is perfect for gift. And this is the card. It has a legit paper. So cool. And here is the necklace. This is the jewelry box. And here is the necklace, which is gorgeous. You can open it up in here. Oh my god, this necklace is so beautiful. The sparks are amazingly beautiful. My god, it's so pretty. It looks so perfect. The sparks are very beautiful, high quality. I'm obsessed. Let's go to box 2. They all have the same perfect packaging. Again, the legit paper of both of them because it's the earring. So beautiful, chic, and it's the perfect size, not too big, not too small, and I think it goes with any kind of a style. So chic and beautiful. It's the perfect set and match with a necklace. The next package is the ring. I'm so obsessed with the packaging. Like, even if it's not for yourself and you want to gift it, it's so perfect and high quality. My god, the ring is so pretty. Look at the spark and the small stones on the round. It's something that you can wear it all the time. So pretty and beautiful, high quality, a spark, the size of the stone, everything about it, it's so perfect. And I like the color. It's the bronze color. Last but not least is the other ring here. So beautiful and chic. You can use this ring as a fixer. I mean, if you have any rings before that it's loose to your finger right now, you can purchase this one as a holder. But I'm obsessed. It's so beautiful. The quality of each pieces are very high and well designed. I am impressed by the quality and packaging and everything. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy with my purchase, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a good one. Bye.